Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Paysafecard on Fortnite. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up Fortnite. And once you open up your Fortnite here, what you need to do is log into your account. And once you're logged into your account, what you need to do is click on the profile or your account icon and then select account option. And once you select account here, you'll on the left hand side of the screen you'll be provided with bunch of options like account settings, email preferences, payment management, transactions, and so on. Simply select the option that says payment management, and once you click on payment management, all you gotta do is scroll down until you find your payment methods, and here under add a payment method you'll be seeing an option that says credit card. Simply click on it, and then what you need to do is enter in your Paysafecard. Remember, you can only use Paysafecard in order to use Fortnite, so enter in your master Paysafecard number right here and then click on save, and that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.